Good day, folks. My name's Lukman. Welcome to FXTM's market update, and today's Tuesday, the 15th of December. So the countdown begins to one of the most anticipated and biggest financial events of 2015. This is none other than the Federal Reserve decision to raise US interest rates for the first time in almost 10 years, and this has shaken the global markets. There's an incredible level of volatility around as anxious market participants reload and offload their positions in a bid to be on the right side of one of the biggest moves in 2015. Commodities have continued to take a beating, with WTI Oil dipping below the 35 level, a level not seen since 2009, and the continued fears that the aggressive oversupply in the global currency markets may continue to enforce more downward pressures, taking WTI Oil lower in the near future. So the main focus today will be the CPI reports for the US and the United Kingdom. Of course, if the CPI for the UK and US do exceed expectations, this may grant strength to the currencies, but I still believe the main focus today and throughout this week will be the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, which will be held tomorrow. So now we've covered the fundamentals, let's take a look at the technicals. A pair that I find of interest has been the euro-dollar. Despite the euro-dollar appreciating to the 1.105 resistance, I believe if the Fed do raise US rates for the first time in almost 10 years in tomorrow's meeting, the euro-dollar will be under a lot of pressure and prices should break back down below the 1.092 support. Another pair that I find of interest has been the pound-yen. Investor sentiment towards the pound has been very weak, and this should actually send the pound-yen to the next relevant support based at 182. Now, taking a look at the commodities, WTI Oil is heavily bearish as the growing concerns of the aggressive oversupply has really haunted investor sentiment towards WTI Oil. I believe if the sentiment holds, WTI Oil has the potential to breach the 35 support and trade to the crisis lows in 2008 of 32.40. Now finally, looking at gold. Gold has been quiet as of late, and I believe this precious metal is waiting for the much anticipated decision tomorrow. If interest rates are raised in the US, we may see an aggressive depreciation in gold, trading back to the very relevant 1,000 level. So that's it for now, guys. Until next time, check out the market division page on the FXTM websites for more live feeds on the FX markets. If you're on the go, follow us on Twitter for more live feeds on the FX and equity markets. Also subscribe to our YouTube channels on Tuesdays and Thursdays for more live feeds on the FX markets. Thank you, guys.